lull you to sleep with a slow one. So this one's called It Can't Rain for Too Long. This time it's not the same. I hit the ground and can't get past the pain, and I feel it all around me. I can feel it surrounding. I feel the storm, I feel the rain. Smile, but I feel the pain. It comes down hard, but I must stand strong, because it can't rain for too long. I hope it won't rain for too long. It's not that easy to do. No matter what I try, I can't escape the tortures of my mind. Maybe I'm losing my mind. Maybe there's something else wrong inside.